Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are now the 5th part of exploring our solar system. So last video we talked about the Earth and how it's our home sweet home and contains life. And you know what planet is next? That's right, the red planet, Mars. So let's go to Mars and we'll tell you all about it. So Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and it is a very arid planet with some craters, and people call it the red planet because it looks so red. And the reason why it's red is because most of the surface is mostly made out of iron, and it rusts, causing it to become red. Mars is almost half the size of Earth. You can see here it's 53% the size of the Earth. It orbits 1.52 astronomical units, and its rotational period is actually surprising because it's almost similar to the Earth, just slightly longer, and its actual tilt is also slightly more than the Earth. And you can see its atmosphere composition. And what's interesting about its atmosphere composition is that it has the same atmosphere composition, not the percentage amount, but most of the stuff is similar to what Earth has, like argon, nitrogen, oxygen, and even a lot of CO2. So it suggests that very long ago, Mars used to be like Earth, has a lot of water on its surface, had lots of lush green surfaces, like all of this barren landscape was all covered in water and lush green areas, and all of a sudden Mars's magnetic field shut down, which led to Mars literally losing its atmosphere. And it didn't lose its atmosphere got thinner and thinner, its pressure went down, and because of this, life started to lose as well. Life ended eventually. The gravity is less on Mars, and Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. So let's go to Phobos first. Phobos is the larger of Mars's moons, just being 21 kilometers, and it's tightly locked to Mars, and its gravity is way less. And next is Deimos, which is even smaller than Phobos, and it's orbiting farther. Let's go to it. Okay, Deimos is a moon that is the farther away from Mars than Phobos, and it's way smaller as well, just taking 30 hours to orbit Mars, while Phobos takes 7 hours and 40 minutes to orbit. And it is super small, like seriously. If you wanted to stand on it, the gravity will literally send you to space at this point. So now we're going to tell you about Mars's features. So Mars is home to the largest mountain on our solar system, called Olympus Mons, and you can see over here. Here is Olympus Mons. You can see the mountain, and it's the tallest mountain in our solar system. So you think Mount Everest is tall? Just climb Olympus Mons. Mars also is home to Valles Marineris, the largest canyon in our solar system, and you can see it just stretches down. It's literally the size of the United States at this point. Mars's ESI is almost like is 70% like the Earth, and its average temperature is -47. So overall, Mars is a pretty barren landscape. Once used to have life until it lost it. It's also having 12 hours of daylight, and it was just a planet that could have been like the Earth, but it didn't. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Adios!